we're here in Buffalo at a parking. I see. Well, I see a sign for what ramp it is, but we have
impulse.
Yes.
Once again, closing at 8 p.m.
Oh, they're glass.
Got some glass impulse.
All the way to 9.
Thyssenkrupp. That is probably the worst view of a scenic elevator I've ever seen.
Okay, so you send it down, and I'll stand over here. Get sort of a view of whatever this is. I guess I'll watch the numbers.
It smells like piss.
It does. It smells bad in here.
Makes a funny sound.
Yeah. That one's up on 5.
Want to see if that car has a better view?
Yeah. Well, we've determined that that elevator's dead, so let's go over to this one.
So we're at the third elevator.
I'm not too confident on this thing either.
No, this one is also sitting on 5, but this one's open. I just kicked part of the floor. Didn't answer that call. There's the counter, wait.
Oh, well, here we go. Well, we just kind of fixed their elevator, I guess. Let's go up to 9.
See if this one has anything better for a view.
Get a view of the lake. So to answer that question, yes. I guess send it down to 1.
We'll end this tour of this garage's questionable elevators. The ceiling in this one is absolutely lovely. Here's the mostly destroyed panel.
Yeah, it's in bad shape. Yeah, so the whole thing's like falling out. Jeez.
All indicators burned up.
Yeah, it just doesn't even work.
These elevators need, honestly, as much as I hate to say it, either a good mod or some good TLC.
I think a little bit of TLC and these guys will run fine. Well, that was exciting.